My name is Andy. I heard of Dr. Jowdy through three of my friends, two of whom I cycle with, and one of whom, after seeing Dr. Jowdy, started leaving me in the dust. That's one reason I'm here. But I've suffered with back problems for almost 30 years, and I've visited many chiropractors and many so-called healers. Though I did get relief, it was always temporary. After hearing about Dr. Jowdy with one of my good friends who was very messed up, she was thrilled with him, and I decided I wanted to go see. I was tired of having my back. I was tired of dealing with the symptoms and not with the cause. Within only 3 or 4 days here with Dr. Jowdy now, I can see visible results in my alignment, and I feel as good as I've felt in 30 years. I'm more relaxed. It's easy for me to stand up now. My spine isn't twisted. I'm not resisting and working against myself. I'm sleeping great. He has me eating better than I've eaten for 30 years, sometimes against my will, but I'm doing it anyway because I know it's good for me. He knows his stuff. I'm very encouraged. I'm thrilled with the results. I'm looking forward to becoming whole and healthy again. Something that I've never been able to say about past practitioners. He's terrific. He's got a great bedside manner. He knows his stuff. He's easy to talk to. He listens to me. He asks me questions. He wants to make sure I understand, and I appreciate all of it. I think through all of my schooling, I was a world-class athlete, a swimmer, and I think I'm abnormally in touch with myself. I can tell what something is doing when I'm not looking at it. Most great athletes can do that. I also am in tune with how I feel about certain things. Emotion and psychology plays a huge part in success in athletics. It's success in anything. But through all of my dealings with these past practitioners, some of whom were, on the edges, and my reading, I think that Dr. Jowdy, what he's doing is based in fact and in science. The tests he took, well, they were fun. They were interesting. I wanted to see how I did. And it was fascinating to actually see. He videotapes everything. It was actually fascinating to see things that I was not aware of, whether it was a physical abnormality in my body or some motor skill that I didn't perform as well as I thought I was. The applications, the things that I'm doing to improve myself are simple, painless. They're just as fascinating and just as fun, and you get immediate feedback because you do an application and then immediately he'll do a test with you and you can see the improvement right then and right there. There's no denying it. After the first day I was looking in the mirror, he showed me something with my alignment. There was no denying it was better. Today it's almost perfect. So I think if you're feeling hopeless, if you're willing to settle, if you think you have to settle for this pain or what you're dealing with, I think that there's hope. And I would recommend Dr. Jowdy to anybody who asks.